Hello and welcome to this Trigger 2-minute tutorial, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a feature that I recently added to Trigger. It's a Salvo Control function and it's called Fire Selected. So you can see on my project here that I'm already using Step to Next, so I can use the space bar to fire cues in sequence, and the cursor will move on to the next cue each time, and I can use my keyboard cursor keys to move around the cue sheet like that. But what if, for example, I have a selection of musical beds that I want to play under a voiceover, and I want the beds to perhaps fire when I open my voiceover fader. So in that scenario, it might be useful to be able to select buttons to play independently of my Step to Next function. So I'll add a trigger button now. Now this trigger button could be fired with from a GPI and a MIDI, for example, so that when I open my fader, this button is fired. Now if I click on the tag section, right click on the tag section, go to Salvo Control, I now have a function here called Fire Selected. So now when I select maybe this piece of music here and this button is fired, you'll see it fires the selected cue button like this. And I can do that completely independently of my Step to Next functionality. Okay, but I'm in setup mode at the moment. What if I am in show mode, because I can't select buttons when I'm in show mode normally? Well, I've changed the functionality slightly now. So if I go to Project Options and go to General Options 2, we now have the option to allow cue button selection in show mode. So I select that and click Done. And now if I switch to show mode and press and hold the Shift and Control keys on my keyboard, when I now left click on a button, it becomes selected, and I can toggle that selection on and off. And now if we fire selected again, it will play the selected button like that. Okay, I hope you found today's tutorial interesting and that you'll find that feature useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.